Hi, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Liao, and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Comey. Today, I want to talk to you about a very interesting topic called trackable links. Trackable links are the option to create unique links for sharing your positions on different social media platforms or on job boards that aren't integrated with Comey. In this way, you can track your candidate sources and keep track of where your candidates are coming from and use this for different analysis and enhancing and improving your recruiting and sourcing efforts. So today we're going to see how we can create a new source that we would like to use for a trackable link. We'll add this source to a position so we can generate a trackable link per position, and we'll also see how we can generate a trackable link for the entire career website. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to want to do when you're in your Comey main screen is go to the blue plus sign and click Add Source. Over here, we can decide to add any kind of source, just like you are already familiar with. We can add here a specific Facebook group. We can also add here LinkedIn groups that we're interested in using. Okay, so you have all of these different options here. Once you're finished with choosing the specific source name, you'll want to choose the drop down over here and change this to social network if we're talking about Facebook or LinkedIn posts, or if you're using a job board that's not integrated with Comey, you can also click job board. Once you're done, you'll click save. Now let's go to a specific position. In this example, we're looking at the BI analyst position. And this is the position that we want to post on Facebook or on LinkedIn. When I mean LinkedIn, I'm not referring to the different job boards or your promoted job slots. And I'm referring to if you're looking to post manually in a specific LinkedIn group, just like you would do on Facebook. Under the Sources tab, you're going to scroll down, and under Other Sources, you're going to add the specific source that you want to post your specific position on. So if you have here LinkedIn, you have here Facebook, you'll have all of the different options in the drop down. And once you click a specific one, you'll click Add. Scrolling up, we can see that we've already added to our position sources our social source, Facebook. When I'm ready to post the BI analyst position on Facebook, I'll go to the right-hand side, click on the gray arrow, and choose the first option, Get Trackable Link. A trackable link for Facebook for the BI analyst position will be automatically copied to my clipboard. I'll now be able to go to Facebook, write a post about the specific BI analyst position, click paste, and that link will allow all of the candidates to apply for this position. Now, it's important to emphasize this link will look the same for all of the different candidates. They will essentially click on it, go into your career website, and apply just like any other candidate. The unique thing is tracking the candidate source. Once these candidates apply, their source in Comey will automatically be updated to Facebook, which will help you keep track of their sources and understand where your good quality and relevant candidates are coming from. Another option is to post a link for your entire career website, not just a specific position. So in that case, we're going to go to the basic search row at the top and look for our specific source. In this case, let's take a look at Facebook. This is the source card, and as you'll see after we've saved it, it's created a trackable link for careers website. This dropdown also allows you to specify a specific position that you want to post on Facebook, but it's really easy to just copy the link for the careers website. Just like we did before, we can now go on Facebook, write a post, share that our company is hiring for various positions, and share this link so that candidates can click on it, browse the open positions, and apply to the ones that they're interested in. Just like before, these candidates will apply just as all of the other candidates do, wait for you in Comey under your tasks in their first step in the workflow, and be assigned to the Facebook source. I want to just connect this topic to the referral program that you're already familiar with and mention that in the referral program, we're also essentially using trackable links. When your employees would like to refer their friends to different positions at their company, our recommendation is that they go to your career website, because there they have the option to mark if they are an employee at your company. Once they do this and they enter their full name and a work email, the system will recognize that they are indeed an employee at your company, and we'll be able to create a source card for them in CoMeet. The employee will now see a different notification below. They'll see their first name and any kind of message that you've created regarding your referral program under your company settings, offering a specific amount for bonus or just encouraging your employees to share the different positions and refer their friends. The employee will now have their own shareable link, in other words, their own trackable link they can click on, copy, and now go to any place they want. They can go to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, essentially any platform that they would like to share this position with their friends and encourage them to apply through their link. Any candidate that clicks on their link will go into the website just like every other candidate, apply just like every other candidate, but will now be assigned to a referral for that specific employee. So that's how it all is connected. I highly encourage you to add the relevant sources that you're using, create trackable links, and keep track of your different candidate sources in a better, more efficient way. Thank you so much for joining us today, and see you again soon.